Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely and creative art. It is made by decorating fabric with a needle and thread. Many people enjoy embroidery because it is relaxing and fun. You can create amazing designs using simple stitches and colorful threads. Embroidery has been used for many years in different cultures around the world. People decorate clothes, dupattas, saris, cushions, tablecloths, and even bags with embroidery. It makes simple fabric look special and elegant. Let's talk about some popular hand embroidery designs. First is the floral design. Flowers are the most common embroidery pattern. Roses, sunflowers, small leaves, and vines look very beautiful on dresses and home decor. Floral designs can be small and simple or big and delicate. They always give a fresh and soft look. Second is the leaf and vine pattern. This design is simple but very stylish. Long vines with small leaves look perfect on borders of dresses or sleeves. Beginners can easily learn this design. Next is the traditional embroidery design. Every country has its own traditional style. These designs often have bright colors, delicate pattern, and cultural shapes. They look amazing on party wear and wedding dresses. Another popular idea is the geometric design. These designs use simple shapes like square, triangles, and lines. They look modern and neat. Many people use geometric patterns on cushion covers and table runners. Now let's talk about some basic stitches used in hand embroidery. The first stitch is the running stitch. This is the easiest stitch for beginners. It is simple and used for outlines. Second is the back stitch. This stitch makes strong and clean lines. It is perfect for writing names or making borders. The second stitch is used to fill shapes like flowers and leaves. It gives a smooth and shiny look. The chain stick looks like small loops connected together. It is very popular in traditional embroidery, and the French knot is a small knot that adds texture. It looks like tiny dots and are great for flower centers. Hand embroidery is not only beautiful, but it has many benefits. First, it helps you relax. Embroidery can reduce stress and make you feel calm. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.